Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get Deadpool in InVision's Web Verse. To begin, you'll need to launch the InVision's Web Verse game on the Roblox platform. Obtaining Deadpool requires you to complete a series of in-game tasks. The main objective is to find and collect a total of 15 unique items scattered across the game's map. This process will involve thorough exploration and overcoming various challenges. The core of unlocking Deadpool lies in finding 15 special chimichangas. These delicious treats are hidden in various spots across the expansive game map. You'll need to explore every corner, including rooftops, hidden alleys, and even inside buildings, to collect them all. Some chimichangas are placed in tricky spots, requiring precise movement and keen observation to discover. Be sure to use your character's unique abilities to navigate the environment. Once you have successfully gathered all 15 chimichangas, a special quest will likely activate. This quest often culminates in a challenging boss fight, for example, against Omega Red. Successfully defeating this powerful adversary is a critical step in fully unlocking Deadpool. Be ready for intense combat. Understanding Deadpool's unique abilities and controls, like his katanas and bazooka, will be essential for victory. With the quest completed and the boss defeated, you can now equip the Deadpool outfit. Navigate to the Extras tab in your inventory and select the Deadpool suit. Once equipped, you'll gain access to his signature combat controls, including katanas, guns, and a bazooka. Remember to practice his dodge and even spawn his special scooter for quick travel. Now you're ready to fully enjoy playing as Deadpool in InVision's Web Verse.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.